Hello students, today we are going to see the topic Predetermined Motion Time System, that is PMTS. I am Professor Kalidas to handle the session for you. Predetermined Motion Time System, PMTS, is also called as Elemental Motion Time System or Basic Motion Time System. So by the word itself, we can understand it is going to have the time for elemental motion of human. So it's a work measurement technique whereby times are established for basic human motions that are used to build up the time for a job at a desired level of performance. So there is a standard time that has been kept. So it established the basic movements of motion and its time. So it's again a micro study of human motion. As like time study using a stopwatch, it's not going to use the stopwatch to measure the time. That method is less accurate because it depends on how you operate that stopwatch. So it works on a basic assumption that all manual work in an industry is a combined effort of individual motion. So any work that's been done by an employee is a comprised motion of elemental motions. So that's one of the basic assumptions that we are going to have. So the average time taken by the normal worker is practically a constant value. So it's not going to vary much. So how do we collect that PMTS data hours? So first select a large number of workers doing variety of jobs under normal working conditions. So the jobs selected are such that they involve most of the basic motions and are worked under different skill sets. So different age, different characters, different conditions. So large number of workers are chosen, but they are going to do a variety of jobs. These variety of jobs have few common micro motions. Say moving our hands to take a tool, or screwing up, rotation of your fingers to screw a object. So these are some common motions. Even though the job is of variety type, the common motions can be taken. So that is measured or recorded using a movie film. That is micro motion study you are going to do. And analyze the film and note down the time taken for completing each elemental motions and compare them in a, say, for screwing 5 threads in a nut and bolt, say 8 seconds is enough. So this is the record. Wherever the job of screwing that 8 threads, it should take only that particular time seconds. So that's what is the idea. Once the chart is ready for new products and for new employee who is going to work, that time already recorded is taken as the reference. So it is the predetermined motion time. So it's a method analysis again. So it helps in modifying and improving the work method. It sets the time standard. So that's the main thing. For micro motion, so they set the standard. So it is used for constructing the time formula. It aids in rebalancing the production lines. So it acts as a basis for wages and incentives of an employee. For very short period and repeated movements, the time can be calculated. So it eliminates all the inaccuracies that is there in the stopwatch system. Since you are using a camera, you need not visit the workplace very often. There is no rating factors are involved. So it's only getting directly the motion and the time for the particular motion. So there is no rating factor. So it's more reliable and accurate. So again, disadvantages, again, it deals only with the manual motions. So the applications, again, you can use it wherever the variety of jobs are performed by different skill set of people to analyze their micro motion. So it is done in machining work, assembly work, maintenance, service, and even in office work also. So in this lecture, we have seen about what is PMTS technique, what are its steps, advantages, drawbacks, and applications of PMTS. Thank you.